Okay, for you pork lovers, for you pork lovers, we got, we got the shit for you pork lovers. You pork loving piece of shit, we got it for you. I know you love it. Look at this. Oh, we got pork ribs. Ooh, and we got those pork pies, pocket house sausages. I know y'all love these. I know you love it. You pork lovers, I know you love it. I know you love these. I know you love this. I know you love it. They're gonna be so great. They're gonna be so great. You know y'all love this stuff. Oh, look, it's about to sizzle. It's about to sizzle, y'all. About to sizzle, y'all. For you pork lovers. Oh, you pork lovers. Look at that. It's about to sizzle. I'm gonna get back with you though. You know, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you know what it look like after I turn them over. Oh, that be marinated. So great. So great. So great. So great. Oh, Lord. Oh, you pork lovers. Oh, y'all. I know your mouth watering. I know you want to come over. I know you want some. Holler back.